Alright, Libby. Happy birthday, Libby! I'll take the candle off and you can have it. There you go. Have your cupcake. Ocelot will help you. Eat your cupcake. Get it. Get your cupcake. She says, Mom. There you go. You gonna take it away? She just wants the icing. Doing. Ocelot's gonna get it. Ocelot will eat your cupcake. Libby, you better get the lamb part. Oh, she took her hat off. You took your hat off. Oh. She's not sure if she's allowed to do this, but it's your birthday. So, you can make a mess on my rug. That's your cupcake. Yay, there's your cupcake. She says, I'm not sure what this icing stuff. I think it's peanut butter icing. Is it tasty? It's your lamb cupcake. For your birthday, because you're 1 year old today. You're not a pup anymore. You're a doggy now. What do you think? What do you think? Alright. Ocelot says, hey, well, let me see, and I will break it up and see. Oh, it's hard as a rock. It's hard as a rock. Oh my God. I'm not kidding when I say it's hard as a rock. Well, let me cut it. Hang on a minute.